Imagine a world where your computer could understand your needs and act on your behalf, even anticipate what you might want before you ask. This is the promise of AI agents, a new breed of software designed to be our digital partners. AI agents are essentially intelligent computer programs that can perform tasks, solve problems, and learn from their experiences, all without constant human supervision. They are like digital butlers, always ready to assist with a wide range of tasks. These agents can be as simple as a program that sorts your emails, or as complex as a system that manages your entire smart home. They are becoming increasingly prevalent in our lives, and their capabilities are only going to grow in the coming years. The rise of AI agents marks a significant shift in our relationship with technology, moving from passive tools to active collaborators. This new era of computing promises increased efficiency and convenience, but also raises important questions about the future of work, privacy, and our relationship with machines. AI agents operate on a simple but powerful principle: sense, think, act. Just like humans, they perceive their environment, process information, and take actions to achieve specific goals. Firstly, AI agents use sensors to perceive the world around them. These sensors can be anything from cameras and microphones to data feeds from the internet. For example, a voice assistant uses its microphone to hear your commands. Next, the agent processes the information gathered by its sensors using algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell the agent how to interpret and respond to the data. This is where the intelligence of the AI comes in, allowing it to understand the meaning of the information and make decisions based on that understanding. Finally, based on its analysis, the agent takes action to achieve its goal. This could involve anything from providing you with a weather forecast to adjusting the thermostat in your home. Throughout this process, the agent is constantly learning from its experiences, refining its understanding of the world and improving its ability to perform its tasks. While the concept of AI agents might seem futuristic, they are already deeply embedded in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. From the smartphones in our pockets to the software that powers our businesses, AI agents are quietly working behind the scenes. One of the most recognizable examples is the voice assistant, such as Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, or Google Assistant. These helpful companions can set alarms, make calls, play music, and answer questions, all through simple voice commands. Another example is the recommendation algorithms used by streaming services like Netflix and Spotify. These AI agents track your viewing and listening habits to suggest new content tailored specifically to your tastes. In the financial sector, AI agents are used to detect fraudulent transactions, analyze market trends, and provide personalized financial advice. They are also being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and even assist with surgery. These are just a few examples of the many ways AI agents are already impacting our lives. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and transformative applications emerge. The proliferation of AI agents is already having a profound impact on our daily lives, largely for the better. By automating tasks, providing personalized experiences, and augmenting our own capabilities, AI agents are making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. One of the most significant benefits is increased convenience. AI agents can handle mundane and repetitive tasks, freeing up our time and energy for more creative and fulfilling pursuits. Imagine a world without the need to sort through spam emails, schedule appointments, or navigate traffic. AI agents can take care of all of that for us. Moreover, AI agents can provide personalized experiences tailored to our individual needs and preferences. From customized news feeds to personalized shopping recommendations, these agents are making our interactions with the digital world more relevant and engaging. In the workplace, AI agents can augment human capabilities, allowing us to work smarter and more efficiently. They can automate data analysis, provide real-time insights, and even assist with creative tasks, enabling us to focus on higher-level thinking and decision-making. Section 5. The downside of smart. Considering the risks of AI agents. While the potential benefits of AI agents are undeniable, it's important to consider the potential downsides as well. As with any powerful technology, there are inherent risks and challenges that need to be addressed. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement. As AI agents become more sophisticated, they will inevitably automate tasks currently performed by humans, potentially leading to job losses in certain sectors. Another concern is the potential for bias and discrimination. AI agents are trained on vast amounts of data, and if this data reflects existing societal biases, the agents themselves can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. For example, a hiring algorithm trained on biased data might unfairly disadvantage certain groups of applicants. Privacy is another major concern, as AI agents often collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data. Ensuring the responsible and ethical use of this data is crucial to prevent misuse and protect individual privacy. Furthermore, there are concerns about the potential for AI agents to be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation, conducting cyber attacks, or even manipulating people's behavior. Section 6. The future is unwritten, potential developments in AI agent technology. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the capabilities of AI agents are only going to become more impressive in the coming years. Researchers are working on developing agents that are more intelligent, adaptable, and capable of collaborating effectively with humans. One area of active research is in the field of natural language processing, which aims to enable AI agents to understand and respond to human language in a way that is indistinguishable from human-to-human interaction. Imagine having a conversation with your AI assistant that is as natural and engaging as talking to a friend. Another promising area is in the development of embodied AI agents, which are robots that can interact with the physical world in a more human-like way. These robots could be used for a wide range of tasks, from providing companionship to assisting with household chores or even performing dangerous jobs. Advances in machine learning, particularly in areas like reinforcement learning, are also enabling AI agents to learn and adapt more effectively. This means that agents will be able to handle more complex tasks and operate more autonomously, further blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence. Section 7, a world transformed, imagining our future with AI agents. As AI agent technology continues to advance, it has the potential to fundamentally reshape our world in countless ways. While the exact nature of this transformation remains to be seen, we can speculate on some of the potential implications. In the workplace, AI agents are likely to become increasingly integrated into our daily workflows, automating tasks, providing insights, and collaborating with us on complex projects. This could lead to increased productivity, efficiency, and innovation across a wide range of industries. Our homes could become truly smart, with AI agents managing everything from our energy consumption to our entertainment preferences. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, adjusts to your daily routine, and provides a personalized and responsive living environment. Healthcare could be revolutionized by AI agents that can diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, develop personalized treatment plans, and even assist with surgery. This could lead to improved health outcomes, increased longevity, and a higher quality of life for everyone. Transportation is another area ripe for disruption, with self-driving cars, delivery drones, and intelligent traffic management systems, all powered by AI agents. This could lead to safer roads, reduced congestion, and a more efficient transportation infrastructure. Section 8. Finding the right balance, ethical considerations, and responsible development. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era of AI, it's crucial that we proceed with caution and careful consideration. The development and deployment of AI agents must be guided by ethical principles that prioritize human well-being, fairness, and accountability. We need to ensure that AI agents are developed and used in a way that benefits all of society, not just a select few. This means addressing concerns about job displacement, ensuring equitable access to AI technology, and mitigating the potential for bias and discrimination. Transparency and accountability are also essential. We need to understand how AI agents make decisions and have mechanisms in place to hold them accountable for their actions. This is particularly important in areas like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice, where the stakes are high and the potential for harm is significant. Furthermore, we need to engage in a broader societal conversation about the ethical implications of AI and establish clear guidelines for its development and use. This includes addressing questions about privacy, autonomy, and the potential impact of AI on human relationships and social structures. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the potential of AI agents responsibly. The rise of AI agents represents a profound technological advancement with the potential to revolutionize our world. These intelligent assistants have the power to automate tasks, provide personalized experiences, and augment our own capabilities in countless ways, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. However, this transformative technology also presents unique challenges and risks. It's crucial that we approach the development and deployment of AI agents responsibly, guided by ethical principles that prioritize human well-being, fairness, and accountability. By carefully considering the potential benefits and risks, and by engaging in a thoughtful and inclusive dialogue about the future of AI, we can harness the power of this technology for good and create a future where AI agents enhance our lives and empower us to reach our full potential.